Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Hello. You want more information about places of interest in the tropical rainforest? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about places of interest in the tropical rainforest is traveltips.usatoday.com. See the page titled Names of Places in the Amazon Rainforest USA Today. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.amazon-rainforest.org, especially the page Unique Places of Interest, Save the Amazon Rainforest. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see traveltips.usatoday.com. The web page Places of Interest in the Amazon Rainforest USA Today. This is the link.